Precautionary measures before, during, and after earthquake.
Earthquake.
Welcome. Today we will guide you through the essential and things you must in precautionary measure to take before, during, and after an earthquake.
Before an earthquake.
Before an earthquake, you should always have a go bag or survival kit ready. This is what you put in your emergency bag: food, water, clothes, shampoo, soap, bandage, toothpaste and toothbrush, radio, cell phone, flashlight, power bank, and important document.
Turn off utilities. Discover how to turn off the gas, water, and electricity in your home or school. Gas and electric can cause fires during earthquakes, so having the ability to turn them is crucial. Know where the fire extinguisher is. Participate or practice earthquake drills every day. Know where the exit door is so you can get out quickly. Drop down, take cover, and hold under a desk or table. Stay and be calm there. Find the exit door to easily get out of the building or school. See if someone you're with has tripped and try to help them. Be alert, stay calm, listen and line up and move out. Go to an open area away from trees and etc. Head count drill during an earthquake to find out if anyone is missing or if you are all complete.
7.
After an earthquake, wait for the children's parents to pick them up.
Are you okay? Yes, mommy, I'm okay. Okay, mommy.
Ang kay tartaray ang.
With the bands.
Morning, everyone. Before we start, can I ask you a question, Alex?
Of course, what is it?
What is an earthquake?
An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the Earth's surface caused by release of energy stored in the Earth's crust. This energy is usually released when tectonic plates move, break, or slide past each other.
Thank you so much, Alex.
You're welcome.
Sa school. Sige, sa kantin.
Ano palang gagawin natin dito, guys?
Magkwentuhan.
Ano ang pagkwekwentuhan natin?
About sa topic sa science. Anong topic?
Earthquake!
Ano pala gagawin natin pag may earthquake?
Drop, cover, and hold!
Ito pa, huwag mangamba.
May isa pa! Huwag magpanik!
Before an earthquake, you need to prepare materials.
What materials?
Materials like water and foods,
Clothes and underwear,
flashlight and lighter,
radio and batteries,
toothpaste and toothbrush,
money and documents.
and first aid kit.
Pati ako! Pati ako! Ha! May lindol! Ang laki ng huli! Pilipino na kami na! Mamamatay na tayo dito! Huwag kang magpanik! Ah! Tulong!
Tara, tignan natin kung sa kantin kung may mga nasirang mga bagay.
Sige.
Hala! Ang mga upuan ay nagsitumba. Tara, ayusin natin. Sige.
Dapat ilagay sa emergency bag. Tubig. Important document. Clothes. Food. Medicine. Kung may darating man na sakuna, tayo huwag magpanik at kumalma. Kailangan natin maghanda ng emergency bag sakaling may darating na kalamidad ay hindi tayo matataranta. Guys, parang lumilindol. Namamalama ka ng baka. Oo nga. Oo nga, lumilindol na. Wala tayo sa open area. Ano? Teka lang. Kompleto ba tayo? Nakawala si Jovit. Tara, hanapin natin. Sige. Si Jovit. Jovit! Tulungan natin. Okay ka lang ba? Okay ka lang? Anong masakit sa'yo? May gas ka ba? Asan ang sugat? Tara, nasa penerya. Tara. Ito ang mga nangyari pagkatapos ng lindol. Ito ang mga epekto ng lindol pagkawalan ng kuryente, madaming nasirang kagamitan at magulo ang kapaligiran.
Laging tandaan, ligtas ang may alam.
Hi everyone, we are the group 2. We were gonna represent the performance task in science before an earthquake, after an earthquake, and during an earthquake.
Guys, paano ba tong assignment? Nahihirapan ako. Kaya nga eh. Ita times by divide. Baka divide. Siguro. Siguro nga. Wait guys, parang may nararamdaman ako. Lumilindol. Oo nga.
Mga pre, parang humilindol. Oo nga pre. Oo nga pre, para na din akong nahihilo.
Lumilindol!
Tara, tara.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Halika, tignan natin laki ng sugat mo. Buha. Hala. Ang laki ng gasgas mo. Guys, paano ba yung assignment? Hindi mo alam. Ulit, Nagkatawa kaya? Guys, paano ba kasi yung math? Hindi ko alam, nahihirapan na ako. Pati na rin. Ulit! Guys, alam nyo na yung assignment, nahihirapan ako. Kaya nga, hirap.
Pre, lumilin doon. Pre,